Hey folks, welcome to my channel. My name's Andrew Ferguson, and on this video, I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a backstory about who I am, what I do, why I'm here, and how I hope to help you guys create the financial success in your lives that you've all been chasing. So my story is pretty typical, just getting started. I grew up in Canada, a little town called St. Catharines, Ontario. I grew up playing a lot of hockey, a lot of basketball, a lot of baseball, or softball as we call it when you're doing fast pitch windmill style. And sports was a big part of my life for a long, long time through public school, high school, university. I played at Brock University, the basketball team for 5 years. And then after my athletic career finally ended in a very, not a great fashion, but it's all good. I decided to kind of pick up a role in the world of civil engineering. Having a geography degree didn't really help me get in the door that well. I had to really work my way up from the bottom. But after a number of years doing that, I was able to kind of carve out a nice career for myself and provide for my family. So while I was doing that, though, I was looking around in the engineering world and I saw these people making two, three, four times as much money as I was. And I knew that I didn't have the background in the engineering degree to kind of get that kind of salary under my belt. So I had to do something different. I had to figure out a way to make money on the side through side hustles, through investing somehow. I had to learn about that kind of stuff. So I decided to level up my knowledge base by investing in books, by reading different kind of authors and podcasts and YouTube videos and getting mentored by different professionals, people who are already successful in doing what I wanted to do. And because of that, I was able to start real estate investing. I was able to start investing in the stock market, in the crypto space, starting a business. All these different things were built up over time through gaining knowledge and investing in myself. And that's one of the reasons I have this channel is just because I want to help give back and show you guys how you can invest in yourselves to create the kind of financial freedom in your own lives and do what I like to call buy back your life or buy back your time, which is your most important asset. So thank you guys for being here. I want to help you guys invest in real estate. I've got some experience with that with a couple of rental properties under my belt and an Airbnb as well. I'm slowly building that empire up on the side as well while I was working. Got started back in about 2012. So I've been doing it for about 10 years of experience. Stock market's a little bit more fresher for me. It's been about 2 to 3 years of experience and a couple of years before that, just kind of prepping for everything, but actually actively trading for almost 3 years now in the stock market with stock options. I actually teach a course about stock option investing for beginners. If you want to check that out, it's in the video description below. But other than that, I want to help you guys achieve your goals, understand how you can invest in yourselves for the best return you can get, and just give you guys the confidence and the freedom to go out and create this other kind of lifestyle for yourself. Whatever you're doing right now, if you work, if you're not working, whatever it is, you can create the kind of lifestyle you want if you consistently put in the work day after day and just keep getting 1% better with whatever it is you're chasing in life. Okay. So again, thank you guys for being here. My name is Andrew Ferguson. I hope you guys are good to go along for this ride with me, and I will see you guys on some of the next videos coming on the channel.